Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to combine pages from multiple Canva projects into a single design. Let's begin. Open your first Canva project. Click the grid view icon in the bottom right corner. Select the pages you want to merge. Right-click and choose Copy. Open your second project. Click the grid view icon again. Right-click and select Paste to add the copied page. Repeat these steps for the third project. Copy desired pages. Return to the second project and paste them. Once all pages are pasted, rearrange them as needed. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.